Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change username on Twitter or X. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, tap X, and double check if your Twitter app needs to be updated. Gotta tell you, it's pretty easy to tap X only. So basically, double check if there is newest update on X. So go back to your screen, go ahead to my browser, and navigate to settings and privacy and tap account, and tap the username and update the username correctly listed in the username field. If the username is taken, you will be prompted to choose another one and tap done. So I'm gonna go back to my screen. Okay, click the social media right here, or entertainment. Click on X basically, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click on my avatar icon at the top left and click settings and support, and then settings and privacy. Right, you're gonna see right here your account, and everything regarding your account will be there. So here you're gonna be able to see account information. You're gonna see username, click on it, and basically you're gonna be able to see this is your current one. If you want to change another one, you're gonna just go ahead and continue that you want to change to another username basically, and here you're gonna be able to see AI suggestion for a new username. Basically, you're gonna be able to hit done at the top right. Basically, that's it. All right, and be careful, because some policies on Twitter or any other social media will tell you that, once you change that username, you will not be able to change it again for another 60 days. Some some apps actually require 30 days. Some apps actually require a year. So basically, it's very important to choose the username that you actually trust. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.